Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video we're gonna show a lot of ideas about rustic scrap metal art. Rustic scrap metal art can have a great material to create unique artist pieces, and these are some ideas for using the scrap metal art and designs for you. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button of 90 Addiction YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest or more interested videos. Here are some ideas for rustic scrap metal. Rustic metal, which one is wall art, uses a wall art. Cut out different shapes from scrap metal and create a collage and voice style wall art pieces. You can arrange the metal pieces in a pattern or create a sense using various texture and the colors. This one is the first idea for you, and first crafting design for you. You can arrange these rustic scrap metal art into the wall art. And the second one, which is sculptures. Use scrap metal art to create sculptures of animals, abstract figures or other objects. Weld the pieces together to form a designed shapes and add details with the metal working tool. This one is the second one idea or design for you. You can make it at home or order from any place. The third one, which is garden decor. If you have any space, outdoor space, just like garden, you can design and build garden sculptures such as the birds, insects, flowers and a wind chimes using rustic scrap metal art by the use of welding. The weather appearance of metal will add a charming and a rustic touch to your outdoor space. If you have liked these ideas, like the video and also press the bell icon of 90 Addiction YouTube channel for more interested videos. The second, the third, fourth one, which is furniture assistant. Incorporate scrap metal art into the furniture pieces as assist structural elements. For example, you can a metal piece to create a decorative table legs, chair frames and even a unique headboard for a bed. This one is a furniture assistant. Many of rustic scrap metal uses a furniture assistant. Many of furniture assistants, just like you can metal pieces to decorate table legs or chair legs, many of use at furniture assistant. The third one, which is candle holder. Bend and shape scrap metal into the interesting candles holders. You can create a geometrical patterns, organic shapes and intricate designs, plastic tiles or pillars candles you can hold for the industrial and rustic vibe. This one is the most important candle holder idea for you. And the sixth one, which is sign and lettering. Cut out letter or the shapes from the scrap metal and use them to create signs or the personalized monograms, and the rustic appearance of the metal will give you signature or vintage or to the weather look. The seventh one, which is garden planters. A garden planters, which is transform scrap metal into the unique plant for your garden or the indoor plants. You can shape the metal into the different form of like a buckets, barrel, troughs, and the rustic metal will provide a edge and rustic charm to your garden. Remember to you wear protect gear such as the gloves and safety of many you can appearance. If you like these ideas, like the video and also click the subscribers button of 90 Addiction YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interested videos. So will we meet in next video. Take care, bye bye.